Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your experience on LinkedIn. This is particularly helpful if you're updating your profile to reflect a new job, project, or role, or if you want to clean up outdated information. So all you need to do is go to your profile, then choose View Profile. From here, you need to scroll all the way down to your Experience section. This section is where LinkedIn shows your work history, including all your past and current roles. As you can see, this is my Experience section. I have this video editor role and content creator listed, for example. Let's say I want to remove this video editor role because it's no longer relevant, or I've transitioned to a new position. You can click on this pencil icon next to the role, which opens up the option to edit. Then, click on the pencil again next to the experience you want to remove. This will bring you to a page where you can make changes to the experience listed. From here, you can just click on Delete Experience. If you are sure you want to delete it, just click Delete. Once you confirm, the role will be removed from your LinkedIn profile, as you can see. And that's it. This is how you can easily delete an experience on LinkedIn. It's a straightforward process and great for keeping your profile up to date as you grow your career. Before you go, make sure to check out the other tutorials on the channel for more LinkedIn tips and strategies to help you enhance your professional profile. If this video was helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.